The final goal of this problem is to find the height of this building. Now, you are standing at the base of the building, and you're also standing 175 meters away from this tree. To look to the top of this tree from your position, you have to look up at an angle of elevation of 22 degrees. Now from the top of the building to look at the top of the tree, you have to look at an angle of depression of 50 degrees. Now, before you begin to churn out numbers for this problem, you have to have a couple of things that are prepared. The first is the knowledge that this, being a right angle, means that if this is 50, then this angle will have to be 40 degrees. Similarly, this is 22 degrees. This is a right angle. That means this is 68 degrees. Also, this is a right angle. This is a right angle. Therefore, DCB and CDA are also right angles. If this is a rectangle, then this length is also 175. That's a little preparation, and now we can begin to do actual math. So, because EA has been split into two segments, AD and DE, we're going to try and find each of those separately. Let's begin with AD. We are trying to find AD using our known angle of 68 degrees and our known side of 175. Now 175 is opposite 68, and we're trying to find the adjacent side to 68. We have opposite and adjacent, which means tangent. So, the tangent of 68 equals opposite 175 over adjacent x. We're going to cross multiply, so x times tangent 68 equals 175. Divide by tangent 68, and x turns out to be 70.705. So AD is 70.75. 05, I mean. And now to find ED. For ED, we have our known angle, 40, and our known side. Again, we're using 175 once more. We're trying to find the side that is adjacent to 40 degrees. Since we have opposite over adjacent, we will be using tangent, opposite over adjacent. So, tangent of 40 degrees equals opposite 175 over adjacent, which is x. Same as the other problem, we're going to cross multiply, so x by tangent 40 equals 175. So divide by tangent 40, and x turns out to be 208.557. And now it's rather simple math to find the total height of the building, or the length of EA, by adding 70.705, the length of AD, to 208.557, the length of ED. And those two added up come out to be 279.261. So the entire height of the building is 279.261 meters tall. Now, to check the validity of the answer, I used inverse tangent to find the angle from E to B, so that you had the triangle AEB. That angle came out to be around 32 degrees, and that would make sense considering the segment that is currently ECU, that would now be EB, would have to be longer and at a sharper angle, because it is going 70 meters lower in the same distance. So the angle of depression would be greater, and this angle would be smaller than 40. 32 being smaller than 40, obviously. And since that answer makes sense, I took it.